Hey everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video you will learn step-by-step instructions and easy way on how to make FNAF, also known as Five Nights at Freddy's game in Infinite Craft. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. Alright, put earth on the empty space, add wind to get dust, add earth to get planet, add fire to get sun, add fire again to get solar, add planet to get system, add fire to get computer, add system to get software, then add earth to get game. Put fire on the empty space, add water to get steam, put water on the empty space and add wind to get wave. Combine wave and steam to get surf, then add wave to get surfer. Put dust on the empty space and add wind to get sandstorm. Combine surfer and sandstorm to get sandman. Then add surfer to get dream, then add dream to get nightmare. Put planet on the empty space and then add steam to get steampunk. Then add earth to get robot. Then add planet to get cyborg. Combine nightmare and cyborg to get Freddy and add fire to get Freddy Fazbear. At last add game to get FNAF. So that's all about this video. This is how you can make FNAF in Infinite Craft. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.